Yo! This first order isn't the greatest, but I didn't really want to wait for an order today, so I'm just taking it. I mean, I'm probably still gonna have to wait for it at the restaurant itself, but you know what I mean. This is IHOP, $7.75, going 4.5 miles. As I was pulling into IHOP, I got this order that is unfortunately better for me, so had to unassign that original one. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $18, going just under 9 miles, only one item. Really hoping that it's in stock, otherwise I just wasted a lot of time and a lot of gas. Oh, it looks like it's just some milk, actually. Yeah, this one's definitely a lot more worth it for me. I need to practice my Spanish, so I've acquired the leche. Drop-off type, meet at door, note from customer, leave on porch. Yeah, we're leaving it on the porch. I highly doubt anyone's gonna steal your milk. Okay, next order is gonna be for McDonald's. $8, going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Got an order for a different McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7, going less than 2 miles.
Yeah. Come on in. There we go, sir.
Thank you. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Starbucks, $7, going 3 miles.
For Vincent?
Yes.
Perfect.
Thank
you
you
so much.
It is super dead right now. I think I completed my last order almost half an hour ago now. I might drive around, take a lap, but I also kind of want to just stick around because I am right next to the liquor store and it is open now. I'm surprised I haven't gotten any orders yet. Just as I finished saying that, I got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's going to be $16, 5 miles, 2 items. There's that.
Thanks, buddy.
And then just a scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next up, we've got a stack I believe is going to the same person. It is Taco Bell and Black Rock Coffee. $10, going like 4 miles. Please tell me this is open. I don't see the open sign lit up, and I don't see anyone inside.
He's working on it right now.
Okay.
I'll be just a bit.
Here you go. 16. Got it. Have a good one.
I really should have asked them how long it would be, because I probably could have picked up the Black Rock Coffee order, which was like down the street in the meantime. Hello.
It's right there, pre-med, both those.
Both? Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $15, going 6 miles, 2 items. It is so slow. I think I'm just gonna call it. Yeah, I'm feeling lazy. Let's just do that. Current time is 11:08, and the total is going to be 93. Not bad, actually, considering I had quite the downtime. So yeah, let's go ahead and go home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.